In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a clip in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a film project, creating a fun social media video, or just experimenting with video editing, knowing how to reverse your footage can add a creative twist or give you the effect you desire. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple yet effective process of achieving this in Davinci Resolve. First, you'll want to open Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, it's a professional color grading, editing, and audio post-production software that's widely used in the film and television industry due to its robust feature set. Once you have it open, you'll see your library of projects. Navigate to the project that contains the clip you want to alter. If you haven't imported your clip yet, you can easily do so by dragging and dropping your video file into the media pool. Now let's focus on identifying the specific clip you wish to reverse. Once you have the clip visible in the timeline, click on it to make sure it's selected. This is an important step as you'll need to have the right clip highlighted before proceeding to any adjustments. With the clip selected, we're going to tap into one of Davinci Resolve's handy features that allows us to manipulate the speed and direction of our video content. Next, you're going to press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This shortcut brings up the speed controls for the selected clip. On a Mac, remember you would use Command+R instead. You will see a speed percentage alongside other options that control the playback speed of your clip in various ways. From here, take a look at the drop-down menu just beside where it says 100%. This percentage indicates the current speed of your video. Click on this drop-down arrow to expand your options. As you explore this menu, you'll notice that it includes multiple options for altering the speed and playback direction of your video segments. In today's task, our focus is on reversing the segment. So once you've clicked on the drop-down, look for and select the option labeled Reverse Segment. Selecting this will instantly flip your video, making it play backwards. And believe it or not, that's really all there is to it. Yes, it's that simple. After you've reversed your segment, make sure to play back your clip to ensure it meets your creative vision. This process can indeed unleash a host of imaginative compositions and dynamics into your video projects. Whether you're reversing footage for narrative reasons or purely artistic ones, understanding how to do this efficiently in Davinci Resolve can significantly expand your editing capabilities. With all these steps complete, you are now equipped to apply this skill to any clips you choose. Keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your creativity with these simple yet powerful editing techniques. Thank you for watching and happy editing.